Bitcoin is trending toward a 3.5% drop tomorrow, based on Traders Union. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. As of this recording, Bitcoin has climbed by 1.1% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $67,913.50. Let's dive into the analysts' expectations. By February, Crypto Predictions expects the asset to be at $69,119.64, which would be an increase of roughly 1.7%. Gulf Capital Collector expects Bitcoin could lift to $68,035.55, an estimated rise of 0.1%. Cryptonization notes it may edge down to $67,333.56, marking a drop of 0.9%. Another analysis by Traders Union projects Bitcoin might slide towards $65,540.30, an estimated loss near 3.5%. To finish, Digital Coin Price expects a move down to $65,298.56 by tomorrow, 3.9% lower than current price. This is the most profitable call among all. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decline of 3.9% to a gain of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. All in all, Digital Coin Price ends up with the highest return, with 3.9% uplift in value by tomorrow. This means you could collect between $1 and $39 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Gulf Capital Collector's forecast indicates the most probable price movement with a 94.1% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. The consensus calculation indicates Bitcoin trading near $67,065.52. So, let's check it out in detail. The consensus projection points to a 1.3% drop in price by tomorrow. Seen another way, your capital could also expand by 1.3%. On 1,000, that outcome could suggest roughly $13 more. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 89.8% of materializing. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. Crypto Predictions signals a short-term move lower. According to Gulf Capital Collector, the market looks flat for now. The projection from Cryptonization is that Bitcoin will similarly trade in a narrow band around current levels. Traders Union highlights a bullish outlook for Bitcoin. Digital Coin Price highlights that Bitcoin could slide lower. The consensus suggests Bitcoin will stay close to its current price over the next 3 days. Looking across all forecasts, 60% indicate Bitcoin is on a downward path. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they turned out. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $67,075.50. The closing price showed that only a handful of forecasts had the direction right. Judging by accuracy, Traders Union had the most exact forecast. Now for the details. The daily candle contained 4 forecasts. For ROI, there were several strong results and Traders Union came out on top. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. In this comparison, Traders Union was assigned 86.8% forecast probability in accuracy and 1.9% ROI. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Bitcoin and other selected assets. Bitcoin isn't on top in this comparison since Zcash currently leads with 696.2% potential growth. In this section, Bitcoin appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets and analyst accuracy data will soon go live on my site and Telegram. Before you go, subscribe to stay updated with the next group of analyst predictions. Bye everyone.